Yes, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to be talking about how to record videos in manual mode, in the sense how to adjust aperture, ISO and shutter speed while recording a video. So let's get straight into the video. The main reason why I'm making this video is because people who own this DSLR do not know that you can record a video manually, like completely changing your aperture, shutter speed and your ISO to your liking, and people just tend to do it automatically and then get like a pretty decent cinematography, but not like how they wish to. So for people who record the cinematic video, they need to change a lot in aperture and shutter speed to get a proper video. So many people think you're not able to change the variations in them. So what you got to do to like start off video recording in manual mode is very simple. Like I just figured it out 2 days back, so which is why I'm making a video out of this. So let me give this some focus first. Yeah, so what you got to do is go to the menus on the bottom, and then you guys can see move your exposure, which is set to auto. All you gotta do is select that, go to manual. That's it. It's that simple, guys. Now you have full ability to change your video. Now it's blank because I obviously put the Canon cover, because I don't really know what to show you guys. So now you have full control over changing your aperture and shutter speed. So the numbers to your left is the shutter speed. So you can change these by rotating the dial on top, located over here. Just turning them, you can like change the value of the shutter speed. And to change the aperture, which is this one right here, this is the aperture, the 4.0. yeah, that's the aperture. To change that, you gotta hold the AV button, press and hold it, and then scroll to your left or to your right. Now you can see it's changing, so you're holding that down plus rotating this. Okay, so now that changes your value. Now once you leave this and then you rotate, it's gonna change only your shutter speed again. And obviously to change the ISO, all you have to do is like press the Q button, which is meant for like main menu of changing your photography and stuff. Just click on that, scroll all the way down to ISO, and then you can like change it automatically, or you can change it to whatever you need. I'm gonna like obviously put it to something less. And yeah, so this is how you change your frames per second, which is just there without even making it into manual mode. Okay, quick tip: if you're recording a cinematic video, you guys need to put it to like 24 frames per second. It's like the best video you're gonna get for cinematic shots. But if you want like a slow motion cinematic shots, you guys need to put it to the maximum frame rate you got. So this is a Rebel T6, and the maximum frame rate it has is 60. So I'm gonna put it to that. So obviously it's gonna get the slowest and the smoothest image possible. And for these cinematic shooters, you guys can mess around with the ambient priority. Most of the people choose shade because it's like a yellowish, increases the temperature and makes it more cinematic. And you guys can play with this as well. You guys put it to neutral, then you can like get the proper cinematic shot video. And these are the options. So yeah guys, so that's the video on how to record manually on your DSLR. This is not so complicated on every DSLR series. It's just for the T series, Rebel T series, because it's like kind of hidden actually. You gotta go to movie exposure and auto and manual. That's all you gotta do. And just one more tip for your cinematic recording. If you want proper cinematic recording, you gotta go to the second menu, I guess. Yeah, the second menu, and then scroll down to video snapshot, then increase it to like 4 or 8-second movie. What this does is, when you're recording a video, you can record like maximum to about 8 seconds, or whatever you select, like 8 seconds, 2 seconds, and 4 seconds. So obviously when you take cinematic shots, you need to get many clippings in. So if it's like equal in number, and if it's like uniform, it gives your video a sense of uniformity. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something out of it. If you guys want me to teach you anything about photography or anything about the Canon cameras, just leave a comment, and obviously leave a like if you like the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.